The Toyota Land Cruiser FJ45 pickup model 2025 is a perfect blend of rugged tradition and modern engineering. This pickup continues to carry the legendary reputation of the Land Cruiser series, designed for off-road dominance and utilitarian use. Its boxy and robust exterior silhouette pays homage to its vintage roots while integrating refined, aerodynamic lines that improve efficiency and presence. The classic hard-edged design is updated with modern LED lighting, a bold grille, and matte black accents that enhance its adventurous character. The bed is spacious and reinforced, ideal for both commercial hauling and recreational adventures. Underneath, the 2025 FJ45 is equipped with a state-of-the-art suspension system. Featuring a coil spring setup at the front and heavy-duty leaf springs at the rear, it delivers exceptional load-bearing capacity and impressive shock absorption over rugged terrain. The suspension tuning provides a balanced ride both on highways and when navigating off-road trails. Road grip is phenomenal, thanks to large all-terrain tires and a low-range 4x4 system with locking differentials. Whether it's rocky hills, muddy paths, or snow-covered roads, this pickup remains stable and confident under all conditions. When it comes to speed and performance, the FJ45 doesn't aim to be a race truck, but its turbocharged V6 engine offers a powerful and responsive driving experience. It ensures strong torque at low RPMs, perfect for towing and off-road maneuvering, while maintaining a respectable top speed for highway cruising. Paired with an advanced 8-speed automatic transmission, it offers smooth gear changes and optimal fuel efficiency. Inside the cabin, durability meets sophistication. The dashboard features a mix of retro-styled gauges and modern digital displays. A centrally located touchscreen infotainment system supports the latest connectivity features. The seat color options include rugged brown leather or gray fabric, built to endure harsh use while offering comfort and style. The FJ45 2025 strikes the ideal balance between vintage charisma and modern utility.